The royal family put aside their past differences to honor Queen Elizabeth II at her funeral. As they left Westminster Abbey after the service, Kate Middleton, the new Princess of Wales, and Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, stood close together with other family members. They were joined by Prince George, Princess Charlotte, Queen Consort Camilla, and Sophie, Countess of Wessex, in an emotional show of support. Prince William and Prince Harry also seemed to set aside their recent issues, walking side by side for their grandmother. The brothers marched together behind her coffin during the funeral procession. After the state funeral, the royal family followed Queen Elizabeth's coffin to Wellington Arch. From there, she was taken to Windsor Castle. Later, after another procession to St. George's Chapel, the family gathered for a private committal service. The Queen was laid to rest in St. George's Chapel beside her late husband, Prince Philip, her sister, Princess Margaret, and her parents, King George VI and the Queen Mother. Despite past tensions, especially after Prince Harry and Meghan Markle stepped down as senior royals in 2020, the family came together during this difficult time. Spoke with Charlie Langston from DailyMail.com about the family's current dynamic. He explained that Queen Elizabeth always tried to keep the door open for Harry and Meghan. However, King Charles III has different plans. He wants a smaller, more modern monarchy and has little patience for royals who don't follow the rules. Just as he distanced his brother, Prince Andrew, after his scandal with Jeffrey Epstein, Charles may take a similar approach with Harry and Meghan. Behind the scenes, the Queen had always hoped Harry and William would repair their relationship. Whether they can do so without her remains uncertain, but many believe it would be a great loss if her passing didn't help heal the long-standing rift between them.